2 hours of speech and I'll just start it with some facts for you. Do you know who is Hello? You always be careful and say Hello. Who is Hello? Let's grab him. Okay. He is the first entrepreneur of his family. Okay. Why do you always call lift your phone and say hello? The reason behind innovating Graham phone is all because he wants to speak to his lover. That was the gen start of his mobile phones or whatever. You take it right now into the path. But yeah, that is what I wanted to push upon. I want to throw light upon speaking about the entrepreneurship. Okay. I want to, you ask me doubts because I want to see what your thing is. You ask me something about entrepreneurship, then I'm getting to you because I'm taking a lunch time and then I know how angry you will be on me. I know that. So just ask me what really you wanted to know about entrepreneurship, then we'll make it up. Okay. Say me at least the entrepreneurs' names you know. Say me the names you know. Nobody knows an entrepreneur name, but you wanted to work in all companies. Nothing is this year. Just say me entrepreneur name. You are Rahman, right? I heard a lot about you and your skills. I expected a lot from you. Yes, say me an entrepreneur's name. Okay, I'm done. See, your answer was so simple, right? Say me the professor's name, you know. See, Ram. Why are you saying Sari? So someone like Sari Pasha, what's his name?
What did you say?
That was an interesting answer from Ganesh. Sari Pasha is the professor, I know. Rather, I don't know anybody. Similarly, we have entrepreneurs in our college from just 1 year ago. That is second year. You heard about the ice cream vendor shop coming in Metro from a second year student. You heard about it? What's his name? You heard about it. So entrepreneurship is not only about the Ambani's family or somebody taking in the opportunity. Okay, find a problem, take the opportunity out, and work upon. It doesn't really mean after the education you start a company with some experience. That is all different from being an entrepreneur. What exactly important is analyze the problem you have in front of you. Now, an ice cream vending machine, you don't have an ice cream vending machine in the college, so he analyzed it. He used the opportunity out. He's making money while he's studying. Okay? They spoke about extracurricular activities and this also comes under it. It plays a lot important role when you go for your placement. When he sees your certificate, what exactly do you? He analyzing you. How do he know I should take you? Every company, see, you get into a technical personality, what you do? You don't stay in technical, you become a manager after your experience, you become a senior director too, then you become a CEO of the company. Then you're not under technical scope, rather you're under the management scope. That is what you're doing in this college. Fine? Then I'll say another thing, example from the third year students. Did somebody hear about Creta? The website Creta from the third year students of CE? Entrepreneurs. When you ask somebody like who is your entrepreneur, you know, then you should not say, I don't know. But that's different. But I know this persons who are in my college. So you should get to network with them. Okay? Get into network with them, see how they're going to funding. Because they don't take a self-fund, obviously, because it's a small company, you don't exactly give one decision like this will be obviously. So you go for funding, you find opportunities, get into contact, get into networks. That is what every entrepreneur does at the beginning. So what exactly I am planning is like, I am making a website. I wanted to design a website. We are on the process of website development. What we are doing is we are connecting all the minds of entrepreneurs into one website. Discuss your idea on, get the persons you wanted to work like. See, there are few technical persons, there are few managemental persons, there are one person with idea. If you are the person with idea, you wanted some management kit, then yeah, we will connect it through our website to you. So bring up ideas. Be an entrepreneur. Just when you think about entrepreneur, don't say again like food business. Because yes, and Abdul Rahman is having a large weekend. Okay? So think with some different idea where you can really make it published within the students group. Make money. Okay? Than money. Please understand, entrepreneurship is different from money. Being a philanthropist is too important when you be an entrepreneur. Okay? You get, give back. This is what is always called as a rotation of money. Okay? then any doubts, like I wanted to start, how will this idea be? Or where can I take this idea? Is somebody having this? Because I have friends thinking from 12th about entrepreneurship. I have. Is somebody like that? Is your hand raising? You wanted to? Just say that. Am I looking that scary? Seriously? You wanted to, then you don't have any entrepreneurial idea. Okay, yeah, do you have some entrepreneurial idea? I heard about that, yeah.
I want to start something online.
You did BSc Computer Science.
I want to start something online. I do want to
Something like
something like about clothes. I like clothes, fashion and so on. So that's very important.
that's all it is. It's a department you want to start online department. See, you have 100 crores of funding running. You know about do anybody really know about 100 crores funding running into India by one company? Which company? Which one? Any company? Ola. Yeah. Ola started with 20 lakhs fund from Tata. Now he is sponsoring 100 crores for India. That's one company giving 100 crores. Then imagine how many other companies. New incubation centers. You heard about incubation center from your students, but what exactly is this incubation center? You have an idea, you take it to them, they make it patent and they incubate. What is an incubate? See, your idea is similar to the birth of a child. In hospital, what is an incubation? The newborn baby is put into incubator for giving him life. Yeah. Same with this incubator also plays role. They take in your newborn idea, okay, they put it into the incubation center, they give you mentors, they give you fund, they make you develop it. They wanted your idea to be the idea of India. That is what these philanthropists in incubation centers really do it. Okay. Next, yeah. You just contact me with all your ideas out. Like we can see how we'll network it with. Okay. There are many staff helping for this. One among them, I respect a lot, Sadish Prabhu sir. Okay. And you really have to clap him because he made this for you. Then we'll speak about the business plan structure, but I don't have time to explain about the business plan structure. And the 5 minutes pitching or 3 minutes pitching, you needed to give it there. But sure, we'll do that. Okay? Come up with your ideas. If you wanted to contact me, then I can give you a number. I can give my number out. Because I need anyone contacting me so I can take a structure. Fancy number call for the idea. Right. Thanks for your time.